Hello friends, welcome to today's video in which I'll be giving you a review of the Whitelines notebooks. This video will go over some pros and cons, some features of the notebook, why I like it, and some reasons why I don't really like it, everything you need to know before you purchase this. If you guys have also been watching my channel for a while, you'll know these are my notes. I sent these back in April and they finally arrived. They look super nice on the cover and you can pick your copy up. I don't know if it will have my cover on them, but they're linked in the description. So you guys know that I have been using this for a long time. I love these notebooks and I used it through all of grade 12. I originally bought it back in the summer of grade 11, insert clip right here, and you can see my unboxing in last year's stationery haul. But anyway, here is just a flip through of these notes. They make your notes stand out super nice, not to mention there is barely any bleed on the notebook. And the paper is light gray and it has white lines as the name is called. Not to mention it has a super cool scanning feature. So here are the notes I'm going to scan. And so you download the free app, which can be used to scan these notes, but they also scan other notebooks, not just Whitelines. And then ta-da, here are your notes. They can be accessed later on and they're great if you want to keep a copy or send it to somebody, submit it online. I just think these notes are really great and amazing. The diagrams and drawings I do show up really nicely. I think they make your notes look super aesthetic and stylish. That's why I really like them. However, there are some problems or cons with this notebook, and the main one I would say is cost. Normally, I think these go for around $7 to like $12, which is kind of expensive for a notebook. Not to mention they only come with 80 pages. So basically, I finished this notebook for my entire school year, so you can't really reuse these again. However, besides those cons, I would say that this notebook is one of the best investments I have made with my money so far. They're great for note-taking and they just make your studying experience much more fun. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you found this one interesting, check out these ones. Bye bye!